Okay, so my bike is a 2011, according to the registration. This is a 2011 BMW R1200RT. I have been looking all over the internet to find out how to change the bulb or this lens cover here. So the bike tipped over there and hit and cracked this. I wanted to replace just the lens. They said no. Well, I bought a new one. And then I thought, okay, how do I get this thing off? And people were saying you had to take the Tupperware off and all this yada yada. Well, I tilted the mirror down and I found inside a hex Torx screw with a flashlight. So this is a T25 Torx. And all I did was undo this, and this whole cover comes off. I got to get a stand here. Hold on. All right. So as you unscrew this Torx, I couldn't believe it. One screw. And the whole thing comes off. And then all I got to do is remove these, I guess, and this. And then this comes out and the new one goes in. So I read online about popping mirrors off, and all you got to do is hit the mirror and the mirror pops off. And that might be true, but I wouldn't know where to hit. So I was looking to find a way to undo these screws so I could pop the mirror off to get to it. And as soon as I did the one Torx, the whole thing came out. And then it's just a matter of putting that one back in. So the trick is getting in there just by bending, pushing the mirror down, and the Torx goes right in there. T25. All right, simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy.